This is the story of two wolves. Their love was not loud, not dramatic. It was a quiet rhythm, like the falling snow, like a heartbeat shared in stillness. The female wolf was soft-hearted, playful, full of questions. The male wolf was calm, strong, a quiet guardian who always stayed near. He never spoke of his love, but she felt it, in the way he stood between her and the wind, in how he always walked behind her, letting her lead, yet never letting her fall behind. Seasons passed, snow came and went. They survived together, through hunger, through storms, through time. But sometime, in her quiet moments, she wondered, does he still love me the same? Or is this just comfort, a habit of staying together because we always have? The doubt was never loud, just a whisper, like the wind sneaking beneath the fur. Then one night, everything changed. A cruel winter storm gathered, and with it, a cold sickness took hold of the female wolf. Her body trembled, her legs gave way, her breath came in short gasps. She collapsed just outside their den, too weak to move, too tired to fight. The male wolf rushed to her, but he, too, was unwell. A hidden illness had already crept into his bones. He had felt it for days, a sharp ache, a weariness that wouldn't go. But he never told her, never showed it. Now, seeing her so fragile, so cold, he forgot his own pain. As the snowstorm raged, he curled himself tightly around her. His large frame became her shelter. He covered her body with his own, sharing every last drop of warmth he had left. He nuzzled her face, licked her ears, and whispered through silence, I'm here. I'll keep you safe. I'll never let you freeze. All night long, he stayed awake, eyes heavy, breath shallow, but still watching over her. The storm howled, but she was safe in his arms. By dawn, the storm was gone. The first light kissed the trees. The snow had softened. The forest held its breath. The female wolf stirred slowly. The ache in her chest had eased. The cold had left her bones. She blinked, surprised she had survived. And then she felt it, warmth, but it wasn't moving. She looked up. He was still wrapped around her, still holding her, but his chest no longer rose. His eyes were closed, his body still. No, please, she whispered. She nuzzled him, licked his face, tried to wake him, but he was gone. A cold deeper than any winter gripped her heart. And then she saw it, the signs she had missed. His thin fur, the faint blood at the corner of his mouth, the tremble in his body she had once thought was from the cold. He had been sick. He had been dying. Yet he said nothing. He gave her everything, even his life, so she would live. The quiet doubt that once danced in her heart was now shattered, replaced by a piercing truth. He had loved her, beyond words, beyond survival, and she never truly saw it. She lay beside him, her cries soft and full of regret. Oh, my love, you gave me warmth, you gave me life, and I doubted you. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. She stayed by him all day. Her howls that evening were soft, full of sorrow. A goodbye to a love that had never asked to be seen, only to be trusted. My dear friend, there is something you must take from this story. True love is often silent. It doesn't always speak in words. It may not come with grand gifts or loud promises, but it shows itself in warmth shared when there is none left, in pain hidden to keep you smiling, in silent sacrifices made of the shadows. Sometimes, the ones who love us most never say it aloud. They just protect, provide, endure. So look deeper. Notice the ones who check on you quietly, who stay close when you're falling, who give without asking for thanks. They are your silent shields, your winter guardians. Before it's too late, say thank you. Say I see you. Say I love you back. Because sometimes the greatest acts of love are never known until the moment they are gone. Until next time, stay safe